Hello again, everybody. I am back again to give you a brief overview of navigating one of the databases I shared with you last week. This time we're going to just do a quick revisit of SIRS. So back here at the library Symbaloo, and on the right-hand side, kind of towards the bottom, you might have to scroll to your right a little bit, is the SIRS tile. We'll click here. Make sure you have your business card with the username and password handy. Otherwise, you can follow along with me. It was a 0621 BETMS, and the password was all lowercase MBAEA9. Now, some of you were finding out that you were having to enter the username and password twice. Not really sure why that's happening, but if it does happen to you, like it's happening to me, just go ahead and put that in one more time. And log in. We are here at the SIRS Issues Researcher landing page, and there are a variety of different ways that you can search in SIRS. It does have a search bar right here on the landing page. It also does have an advanced search option, which I didn't really go into with you. It's not super detailed. I think you can probably get enough from just using the general search bar or just using the point and click method. But if you are looking for something very specific, it does have a search bar. If you scroll down through the landing page, you'll see what's trending, what's popular, what's in the news right now, and this may or may not apply to something that you're going to be researching. Editor's picks, these might be things that suggested topics if you were looking for an issues topic to research. And then if you need help choosing a topic, you do have the option of scrolling down here to the bottom. And I don't know that we got into this so much, but there's an all leading issues option to click here. I'm going to go ahead and click that and just see where that takes me. Again, a database is just something you get used to and you search on your own. You'll notice up here you have some different sorting options. Trending means kind of what's a hot button topic right now. You can also go with last updated. And then finally, there is a way to sort it A to Z. So if you do have a specific topic in mind, you can use that A to Z option. You also have the option of using the filter up here. This is what we looked at in class by clicking leading issues. I know that some of your topics might fall under civil rights and liberties. Some of them might fall under drugs, health, and wellness, maybe ethics. So you have a variety of different ways that you can attack your search. Okay, so I'm here in the A to Z listing, and maybe I want to narrow it down just a little bit more. So maybe I'm going to go into civil rights and liberties. I think some people had some topics that might fall under there. And if I look down through here, and again, this is alphabetized, maybe one that some might be looking into. Oh, let's see. Let's just go into privacy rights for teenagers. I have no idea what's in there. Okay, so this is an issues landing page, or an issue summary page might be a better way. There is a somewhat brief look at what this topic is about. And if you were just going to use this little bit, it does have the cite option right over here. But I think most people are probably going to delve into some of the articles that are available in here. So each page is going to, each topic, subtopic is going to kind of be set up the same way. So you have your little summary, and then it's going to present a question, and this might apply to your research project. You're going to have 3 articles that support one viewpoint on the issue, 3 articles that are going to support the other side of the issue. So you could certainly use these for your research, or if you felt that you needed more than that, you can click on Find More Sources. Every subtopic page is going to have that option. And that's where you will start getting into some larger results. So just by clicking that now, I have 871 results for privacy rights for teenagers. That's still quite a bit to filter through. So over on the left, I have some filtering options. This is a key part of SIRS. This is going to help you narrow down and get those articles, those media pieces that are going to help you with your topic. Maybe you just want to take a close look at magazine articles. So I can filter my 871 results down to 271 just by clicking that. Now, if I decide I don't want to look at magazines, I can just click that X. It'll bring back all of those other filtering options. Maybe I just want to look at some newspaper articles. That's going to give me 473, which is still a fairly large number. So then you've got some more options over here. I think these are pretty helpful. Maybe you just want primary sources. These would be sources that happened at that time. Maybe you want to put in a custom date range. Maybe you just want to see what was published in the last 30 days. You want stuff that's really, really current. Okay, so when I did that, I didn't get anything. That's okay. Let's try last 12 months. All right, got 36 results. That's a pretty manageable number of results. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of these. And here is the actual article that I can read. It's got a summary of the article. And just a reminder that most of the articles that you're going to come across in SIRS are going to be relatively short. It does have the option of reading it to you if you do struggle with reading. If you, obviously you're going to need to cite this. The cite button is over here in the green box. What's nice is that it defaults to MLA, and then you can just click the copy button and that will put it to your clipboard and you can paste it into whatever Google document you're putting your citations. And just like in Teen Health and Wellness, you also have the option of saving it to Google Drive. Just by clicking the button, it's going to ask if basically get permission from you to store the article in your Google Drive, especially if you did a lot of filtering to find the resources and you don't want to look for them again. That's a great option for you. Okay, and then after you've read this article, you have the option, of course, of going back to your results. Also, SIRS is always going to have suggestions for you of other documents that are similar to what you've just read here. And that's nice. And this will just keep going and going. Every article is going to have related documents for you to take a look at. Also, at the very bottom, it might also give you some related subjects. It might say, well, if you're interested in this, then maybe you should try one of these. So I'm going to just try clicking Internet and Teenagers, and look at that. I get another results list. And some of them might be the same as what my previous results were, but you don't know. There might be some real gems in there. So that's SIRS. And again, it's a pretty user-friendly site. You just need to take some time to explore. Also, think about how you're searching for things, but really use those leading issues, topics, and gopher down into your research topic.